Alright you guys, welcome to Land Between the Lakes. We got the little live worm. Made a few casts, keep getting a bite. We haven't caught the fish yet, but this may be my first fish of 2025. So y'all say a prayer, and over by this log, we got it. Watch it be a minnow. Oh, that is not where the fish are at. Oh my God. Maybe it is a whole school over there. Oh. Oh. Oh, I felt that. Did you see that? Oh. Alright. I'm about to catch whatever this is. Oh, I only want that whole worm. That's okay, because there's more. Oh, look at that. Boy. Oh. Oh, little buddy. You're my first fish of 2025. Oh. I got him! I got my first fish! Let's go! Yes! Yes! We did it! Hey, it may not be huge, but by God. Oh, it just came off. There it is, cold as ice. First fish of 2025. And on my new combo, the Abu Garcia Max. Look at this thing, beautiful. Now has fish slime on it. Let's freaking go. Well, there it is, you guys. My first fish of 2025. Let's go. Yes, dude. Out here, breaking in the new Abu Garcia Max. Let's get that out. Well, I guess we'll have to cast to get it out. We're breaking this guy in. Just caught the first fish on it. Let's go. Oh, oh. Terrible. Well, we'll see. It's there. Oh my God. Oh. 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 Oh my God. Oops. Oh, dude. It dropped right there by the log. Oh, I got it. I got it. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yes! Oh my God, look at the color of him! Look at that! Oh, that is a cold, super, super cold Kentucky lake. Yeah, I think this is Kentucky Lake. I don't know which side of LBL I'm at. Look at that guy, how Oh my God. Come here. Come here. Alright. Try this again. You good? Alright, look at the color of this guy. Look at that. That is insane. He's so purple. I've literally never seen a bluegill so purple in my life. And cold wintertime fish, buddy. Look at that. That's a big one too, man. We found a school. Oh, we are on them. Let's go. Hey, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, dude. Fish number 2 of 2025. Subscribe. Yeah. Let's get him back. Oh yeah. Back to the log to catch another hog, y'all. Yeah. Alright. There's something out here. I got it. I got it. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, he's a fighter. Oh, he's a fighter. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go. Nice. Fish number 3. He's a long, skinny little guy. Just like me. Yes. Look at it. Oh, y'all, we own them now, buddy. Bluegill number 3. Let's go. Yes. Ooh, raw. Alright, so we're going to try to see if there's a crappie out here. We're going to cast out to this deep spot and see what's hiding out there. Oh. Dang it, son. There we go. That's what I want to get. See what's out there. Got him. Let's go. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, he's alive, son. It's a bluegill. That's a nice size one though. Look at him. The color in these things this time of the year is absolutely insane. Look at the belly of that fish. That is just crazy. Oh, pink bluegill. Let's go. Wintertime bluegill fishing down to land between the lakes with my new Abu Garcia Max. Breaking her in real well. Let's go. Well, it's not a crappie. That's a nice sized bluegill. Well, just look at the color of these guys right now. Wintertime bluegill fishing. Don't mind if I do, please. Let's go. Oh, what's up? Speaking of which, since you guys are here, look what we got. The 6th Sense $130 bass bait box. So we figured, why not come out here, unbox this thing on the side of the lake, and let you guys join us and see what's inside the mystery box. So let's bust this guy open. This is, oh, so the mystery, these little 6 Sense boxes, DBL means the leaded box, so there's DBL and there's DBNL. The NL means you're gonna get less jigs and you're gonna get stuff like lanyards and stuff like that that you can't tie on and fish with. The L, leaded box, should be all lures and something we can tie on and fish with. So this is box number 6 of the 6th Sense bass bait box. Does it say 6th Sense? Yeah, there we go. The 6th Sense bass bait box. So let's go. So excited to see what's inside of this box. And what more of a beautiful backdrop than to have Land Between the Lakes and an unboxing video. So let's get ready. Sense it. All right, so lure number 1. I swear to God, I just saw like a 3-foot fish jump up. So it's January down here in Kentucky, and I just saw a big fish jump up. Lure number 1. Oh, it's the 6th Sense draw. Oh Lord, it's the 6.5-inch glide bait. Yes. So this is a suspending / slow sink 6.5-inch glide bait. It weighs 1 ounce. And this thing, 4K shad, yes. The 6th Sense draw, designed in Texas. Let's go, America. Yes, first lure out of the box, the 6th Sense draw. So now I officially have a glide bait again. So that's lure number 1. What do we have next in here? Next we have, ooh, these are the Green Pumpkin Blue Swirl Prawn, 4.2 inch. And look at the color in those guys. You see that? That is wild. Like the blue-green color change in them. That is awesome. Beautiful looking little creature, whatever you want to call them. Look at the little ligaments on them, little arms. Yes, let's pull one of these guys out. Look at him. So we got the draw. Bust this guy out. Check him out. Looky there. See that color? That's awesome. Pull little limbs apart. Oh yeah, look at that. Like the little blue-green swirl in it. That is going to be awesome. And the little arms and the little body. Ned rig him like that. Oh yeah. Let's go. Beautiful. So that's awesome. Lure number 2, some nice little creature bugs. And I do a lot of river fishing, so them smallmouth, they may enjoy that. Got somebody in a boat that's gonna run down the bank. They're gonna catch the fish we was just looking at. So that's lure number 2. We got the prawns. So now we got the draw, prawns. Next we have, close it. Ooh, the Speed Glide. Look at that guy. The 100 millimeter Speed Glide. Look at that thing, man. So it's got a little feather on it, and it's got the little swim bait action, and you just tie it on, and I guess it'll be like top water, kinda, from what I've heard. You can pause and read that if you want. That's awesome. Heck yeah, dude. So the next one we got, ooh, exclusive color. I was just about to say, that is my favorite color in a worm, period. Look at that guy. Little, like, it's got like, almost looks like pepper flakes in it. So we got the 5.3 inch Bambusa. Oh, dude, they got like little tails on them. Sweet. Oh yeah, I love that. So Creek Fishing Adventures, he got me on the bubblegum yellow swirl, and the fish love that little bright orange color. So heck yeah, dude, that is awesome. Go 6 cents. All these are freaking amazing so far. Next we have, ooh, what are these? The Stroker Crawls, and an exclusive color as well. Exclusive, dude, all the exclusive stuff, so that's crazy. Little Stroker Crawls and like a, oh, it's got like a swirl in it. That is crazy. It was like a brown bottom with like the green blue swirl in the top. Oh yeah, let's go. Awesome. So that's lure number 1, 2, 3, 4. Lure number 5 in the box. What do we have next? Oh, this feels. Oh my God! Are you kidding me? The 6.5 inch medium swim bait. Then it's got, looks like it's just got a little loop on the bottom, but a big treble hook on the top. Dude, oh my God! Recommended line 20 to 25 pound test, or 50 to 60 pound braid. This is the Hangover line through swim bait. Wait, what? Line through? We gotta pop this guy open real quick. Let's see what this is. This is crazy. How do you get it open? You gotta check this guy out. What is this? Top hook design. There's no real instructions on it. So it looks like, well, it looks like I may have needed that. Looks like there's the hook. So maybe you just strap it onto that, but oh, there's a spot for your line. Oh, and it'll come through his mouth? Oh, wow. So, yeah, so there's where your line will go, in that little tube. And I guess it'll come out of his mouth. That monster freaking swim bait, dude. Yes, what a box, man. Freaking A. So, we got that guy, the Hangover. That is crazy. I ain't ever seen that bait before. I don't even really know how to repackage that thing back up. It's got a monster tail on it. So we got that. What else we got? We got, ooh, the Crush. It's like a mini crankbait, but boy, look at that color in it. The baby bluegill. Boy, that is beautiful. The Crush Mini 25X. Let's go, dude. Next we have, ooh, this is the Crush Flat 75X. This looks like it's flat, So it's got the flat body and it's got a bill. Okay, so it's almost like the design of a rattle trap, but it's a square bill and it looks like it dives 2 to 5 feet. And this is in the Ghost Pro Shad, the 75X. Let's go, that thing looks saucy. And next we have, ooh, look at the color on that, the Thud 70. And this is in the Backwater Bluegill, the 1/2 ounce Thud 70. Quake, let's go, dude. And there's more. And we have our sticker, of course. And yes, we got some more of the glitches, but look at that. This color looks like it's blue, like a blue-green color, the smoke green pumpkin. So that is crazy colored. Freaking awesome, dude. I do believe that's it. Yes, so that is all. Yeah, one more sticker. Sweet, dude. So we have the draw. We have the hangover. We have the Crush Flat 70X, 75X, sorry. And we got the Thud 70, the glitches, the Crush, the exclusive color, and the little crawls. We got this awesome glide, speed glide. Cannot wait to try that, guys. Got the exclusive bamboosas. What you know about that? And then we got the bug baits. So that is our box number 6 of the leaded box. And these are available at Dick's Sporting Goods. I'm not too sure if they're available anywhere else, but go buy you one, check these things out, take them to the water, and soon we will have a video catching some fatties on this, guys. Catching some fatties with these guys. Got him. Got him. You little savage. It is a dang, that's a chunky bluegill. Redemption, son. Yes. That is a nice one. I can't believe he was nitpicking it like that. Oh man, that's the nicest one of the day too. Let's go. Another little pale land between the lakes bluegill. Look at him. Little purple gold belly. So crazy how much they lose their color. It is also severely flooded now that I'm thinking about it. I don't think it's the cold. I think it's because this lake right now is super flooded in certain spots. And even though it looks clear and blue here, there's a whole lot of the lake right now that looks like pure chocolate milk. So that's probably why these fish ain't got much color to them. They're probably coming out of that flooded up brown water into this clear water feeding, and we whacking them. Let's go. Nice save. Boy, we got him, by God. Look at that guy, he's fat. That thing was stealing my worm and stealing my worm and stealing my worm. And we finally got on him. Let's freaking go, dude. Out of here fishing in January, land between the lakes. Let's go. Holy crap. A new species. So we literally just dropped it on the bottom and caught that little guy. Let's go, dude. Awesome. Dude, this is insane. Well, I've been saying it's January, I forgot. Today's now day 2 of February. So, we didn't catch no fish in January, but February 2nd, we came out here, we had the worms, we whacked these bluegill. We finally have to break in the new Abu Garcia Max and get this thing with some fish under its belt. It's about how deep we was fishing, about 3-4 feet. So, hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.